Hey guys, yes, I'm in pajamas for a completely different reason today. Yeah. So I'm not gonna explain that because it is private and personal and perfect timing because I think my gardeners are here right now. I was actually letting them grow. I forgot. So it turns out they didn't come yet, so I think they're here now. So it's perfect timing for me to do some vacuuming. So that's what I was gonna do, and I was cleaning the kitchen. But my dog's a slobber butt, so because he drips water all over the place. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. To be honest, I don't know the best angle for this, so I'm just gonna see you guys later. Bye. Actually, I have one idea. I don't know how well it's gonna work. Maybe two. Let's just hope and pray my cat won't get to it. So let me still clean this up. Okay, if I can pick up Bailey's bed. Yeah, I got to vacuum today, so deal with it, doggy. You guys have to move. Okay, why do we have a squeaky wheel? The squeaky wheel is bugging me. So I'll be back in a second. Give me a second. So I gotta go into this. I'll be right back. I do apologize about the squeaky wheel.
Hey kid, don't ever let them. Get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
Why do you keep getting into her bathroom trash, Dougie?
Of everything you know that you could get, don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
You're not gonna move it? You're just gonna stand there and dilly-dally?
If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits. Don't
give me that look. Oh, can you guys like goats? Movie 2, please.
be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time.
Milo! Really, little booger? I saw that pen on the floor.
Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Onto the kitchen after I emptied that last load. I'm gonna figure out the best way to set you up. I have a better idea. I don't know if that's any better or not. Let me see. Let me see. These can be dumped, dude. Especially this one. This one's old, so water does not need to remain in here. That could work, I suppose. That works for now. Billy, can you not slobber water all over the place? I just dried it so I could vacuum. Like, dude, really? I just dried the floor so I could vacuum. I didn't know that the garden is going to show up now, but that's why I had you outside. Now I gotta redry the floor. That look. And Bailey, you need to stop drinking water for like 5 minutes. Can you do that? Can you like not drink any water for like 5 minutes? Not less than 5 minutes? It's not going to take that long to do the kitchen floor, so I just can't get anything wet regarding the vacuum. Yeah, the vacuum has specific instructions not to vacuum anything wet. So, like, come on. I literally just dried the floors. Can you guys go like 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes without drinking any water? 2 minutes. You can do this. You can go 2 minutes without drinking water. Because I don't need a wet floor. Hey, I do apologize about the loudness that lawn mowing and weed whacking is. I'm just going to be making a sandwich, so that will be in the background. This is for my, I haven't changed it yet, I need to change that, and I will, don't worry about that, I will change it before these get uploaded, but this will be for my Java Artnest channel, and yeah, there's that. I'm gonna just make a sandwich, and try to be quick about it, but not guarantee. And let me see, that's probably a better angle. Dude, can you like not leave your towels laying all over the counter, please? This drives me nuts. I'm gonna put it in here, but it ain't my trash. Whatever you call it. So, sandwich. The pieces aren't moldy and golden. Good. I don't know where Mom found these, and I don't even know if they're any good. I need to ask her about them. And to be honest, I know that casserole is no good. Like, come on, dude. Let's just get rid of it so we can space in that fridge. Like, it's obvious at this point in time that I'm not going to eat the last of it. She's not going to eat the last of it. It's been sitting there for like 2 weeks at least, if not longer than 2 weeks. So I'm just, no, get rid of it. Get rid of it, please. And yes, I want pickles today. I wish. I highly doubt they will. But please. No advertising or promotions intended. But please, Mount Olive, please, I beg of you, bring back smoky barbecue. Please, I beg of you. The sweet heat ones were too spicy for me. Like, I understand a lot of people love spicy, but I don't like spicy. I love the smoky barbecue. It was just like a nice little tang, perfect little tang to them. It wasn't spicy, but it wasn't like super sweet either. It was perfect. It was a perfect pickle. god, that is a major tongue twister. A perfect pickle. For me personally, it was a perfect pickle. Don't get me wrong, these aren't bad, but my favorite is the smoky barbecue pickles that Mount Olive once used to have. Please bring them back, please. I love those pickles. I will literally, like, I don't know if I'll buy 2 jars, but I will literally budget to buy 2 jars. I will budget my money so I can buy 2 jars of smoky barbecue pickles. Because I love, those are like literally my favorite pickles. Like, no joke. Like, come on. Bring back smoky barbecue, please. Anyways, like I said, these aren't bad, but I'm in a pickle mood, so it's like, it's fine. Like, I don't want to say emergencies. I tried one, I'm like, fine, it's whatever, I can deal with it. But my favorites are the smoky barbecue. So yeah, there's that. Now, back to sandwich making. These pickles are fine in a pinch, but like I said, I love my smoky barbecue. And watch them come back all of a sudden a week later. It's actually through there. This is like getting through them. So I don't know how pickles work when you drink the juice, so. What is that? Okay, sorry, that one had a weird thing on it. I did drain the juice a little bit the other day for my veggie burger, so yeah. I have to show you guys this because I unintentionally made. Here's the 2 eyes, and here's the mouth. That was not my intention. There's no nose, so eyes and a mouth. That's the cold. I had to. I'm sorry, I had to grab a coffee out of the freezer. But it's another one of those things that I'd rather not show just yet until I'm comfortable showing it. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. That was so funny. Some of the things I wish you guys could see that I don't end up capturing for whatever reason. I know, buddy. I know you want to go back outside so badly, but you. Sorry, buddy. You know you can't go outside when the gardeners are here. Now the real question is, where did my binder clip disappear to? Right there, behind the pickles. Of course, it's behind the pickles. Putting in a smiley face, and that's why it like give me some pickles. It's right here. Sorry, I can't see that. No, 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 no. No stink butt. I can't believe you just tried that. Yes, I'm still gonna eat it, but I still can't believe you just tried that. No, dude. No. Milo, can you like not be a booger? For like a day in your life, please? I told you my cats were relentless. He's a little troublemaker. No, 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 nope, nope, nope. You're not walking on my sandwich. No. My little troublemaker, buddy. So to walk all over my sandwich. No. I love you, but no. Am I quiet? such a bot. I'm just trying to grab a piece of cheese, dude. All I'm doing is trying to grab a piece of cheese out of the fridge just to add to my sandwich. No, Milo wants to be needy. Wants to be Mr. Needy Boy. Yes, it's not often, but yes, I keep finding white American cheese, but I love it. I love finding white American cheese. I don't know what it is about white American cheese, but it's amazing. So, I love this cheese. Don't get me wrong, I like the regular American cheese, like the yellow American cheese, but I love this one too. The white American just tastes like, there's something about the white one that tastes really, really good. I still can't believe my cat tried that twice. I was about to literally walk into my food. Also, it doesn't matter how many times I pick him up or put him down, it will not stop him from jumping on the counter. Just as a heads up. Nothing will stop that cat from jumping up here. Oh, another thing. The main other thing about our cat, so the thing is, sometimes, not always, but sometimes when I do let him eat food off the counter, only because our dog will snatch it if he walks away from it. So the second the cat walks away from his food, the dog will snatch it and eat it and have really bad farts. Sorry for TMI, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. I gotta eat, gotta go edit some videos, gotta figure some stuff out, gotta figure some scheduling things out, gotta go through a bunch of stuff on my coffee table right now. But I need to eat first, put this stuff away, and go get that done. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!